Hey everybody, it's that time. We're going to have to start thinking about winterizing our fountains outside. The best thing to do, especially with resin fountains, is you want to empty them and store them for the winter. But rather than wait until spring to clean it, it's a good idea to clean things out in the fall. That way you're ready to go in the spring. So the first thing we do is we want to check our pump. The pumps do get clogged. You can see in here, and that is some cold water, we get debris that flies into the fountain. It can work its way into the reservoir and it can block up your pump and cause it to work too. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you want to get your pump out of the reservoir. So if we pull this out, you can see the front of it, that has gotten really caked with goo. And we need to get that cleaned out. So we have a nice soft brush here. You don't want anything too hard. And we're just going to brush away some of the debris that's on the front. So we're going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to disconnect the pump, which probably would have been easier if I had unplugged it. But we're almost there. All right, so we've gotten our tubing disconnected from our pump. And you can see there's a little line here, and every pump's going to be different, but there will be a way to take this front plate off of your pump. So I'm going to put that down. You can see in here where it's gotten all gooed up. So we have to take our brush and get in there and really clean that out. We do have also, if you need it, we have Rock-and Fountain Cleaner. This is going to help to get rid of any residue, any hard water stains that might be on your pump. And you're just going to get in there with the brush and get rid of any white particles, any of the debris. Get it real clean. And you can see this will spin around and you can see through it. So you're going to be able to get in there and get it real clean. And then you're going to rinse this with water. And then you're going to come in here and you're going to look inside into the impeller. And you're going to make sure that there's nothing in there. So this cover did a real good job of keeping any debris out of the mechanics of your pump. So as long as that is clean, you don't have to worry about taking it apart any further. If there were debris in there, you're going to want to start pulling this mechanism out and just cleaning any debris. You can use your Rock-and Fountain Cleaner, get in there, use your brush, clean it out where necessary. Then you're going to get any little extra edges on the sides, down in the bottom, and just make sure you've got it real clean, and then let it dry. You're going to empty your fountain, get rid of all the water. If you see any white debris in the fountain itself, you can also use this on there. You're just going to spray it. You're going to use your brush, nice soft brush, and you're going to brush away the debris. Turn it upside down, let it drain, dry completely, and then your fountain is ready for storage for the winter.